Welcome to Uncovering Native American Mythology, the story of the Thunderbird and the Great Flood. In Native American mythology, the Thunderbird is a powerful creature associated with storms, lightning, and thunder. According to legend, the Thunderbird caused a great flood to cleanse the earth and rid it of evil spirits. Many Native American tribes believe that the Thunderbird continues to watch over the earth and plays a vital role in maintaining the balance of nature. The awe-inspiring mythology of the Thunderbird and the Great Flood serves as a powerful reminder of the deep connection between nature and spirituality in Native American culture.